glasses.
Now they hear you.
Wear glasses.
You did my place.
No recharge.
Come on.
Sharon, I did it. I know the house, I know the house.
I love you very much. You know that?
Yeah.
Camera I am using. The name of the web camera is called Logitech web camera. You can purchase it also from the link that is in the description of this video. Alright guys, let's begin this tutorial. So we are going to go with the first one, DeepFaceLive. How to install DeepFaceLive. This is what you are going to do. You are going to go to the link that is in the description of this video and click on it. Once you click on the link, it's going to take you into this. Okay, and when you come over here, I know you're going to be confused, but let me explain. This was designed for gaming laptops only, so try your best and get one. Now over here you're going to see different options, and now let me explain. Over here, this is the CPU DirectX 12 option. Then over here you have the NVIDIA option. Now for clarity, I'm going to go with the one that is 2.6 gig. So how do you download it? Let me show you. Now in order to download it, you're just going to come and you're going to double click on it. Then when you double click on it, it's going to show you over here downloading. Now because I've already downloaded it, my data is precious, I can't start downloading it again, so I'm just going to come over here and cancel it. Alright, so once you've downloaded DeepFaceLive is going to look like this. So you can see DeepFaceLive CUDA. So what you're going to do is that you're going to double click on it, then you're going to click on extract. Now I've already extracted it before, so there's no need for me to extract it again. This is DeepFaceLive, so you can see there are 3 folders inside, and I'm going to explain everything to you in this video. But the first thing you have to know is that you will not use your laptop camera, because your laptop camera is not as clear as a webcam. As I said, this webcam is in the description of this video, so if you want to get it, check the link in the description of this video. Let me show you guys what you're going to do now. So what you're going to do now is that you're going to double click on DeepFaceLive. Then it's going to run a code and load up like this. I'm going to explain everything in this video. Alright, so this is the interface, and you can see there are many buttons, but I'm going to explain each and every one of them to you. Here you have your face detector type. So you can choose Volo 5. Okay, let me show you. You can choose Volo 5 or you can choose center face. You understand? I like to go with YOLO 5. Okay, then your device, because this is a gaming laptop, I'm going to choose my NVIDIA GPU. Then my camera, we don't want to use the laptop web camera. Okay, so we have this camera over here. We're just going to come and we're going to connect it to our laptop. Alright, so now you've connected it, you are just going to hang it on top of your laptop. So now you've hung the camera on your laptop. This is the next thing you're going to do. So at this interface, this is what you're going to choose. So at the camera section, you have 2 options. You have the select button and you have the resolution of the output. So if your laptop is going to hang, you can choose this resolution or even lower. So because this is a gaming laptop, I'm going to go for the highest. Now for the select, I'm going to click on it. Then you can see different options. Then you can see my web camera. So I'm going to click on my web camera, and as soon as I click on it, it's going to show a green light to show that it is being used. Now let us move into the next part. So for the face marker, we're just going to go to select. Then we're going to choose NVIDIA 4070 graphics card. Then we're going to come here and we're going to choose our NVIDIA GPU. So you can see everything is coming together. We're going to come to the source and we're going to click on merged frame. Then for the face swap, we can use FaceSwap Insight or FaceSwap DFM. FaceSwap Insight is when you want to use your picture. Then FaceSwap DFM is when you want to use a deepfake model. So the purpose of DeepFaceLive is for deepfake models. So I'm just going to click on device first. I'm going to click on my GPU. Then I'm going to select a model. Let us go with Brian Reynolds. So I'm just going to click on Brian Reynolds, and you can see it is downloading very fast. Alright, so it has downloaded and you can see the output. It is decent, but it is not perfect. You understand? For a more perfect output, you're going to go with DeepLiveCam. So I'm going to show you guys by the next tutorial how to set up DeepLiveCam and install it. So you can see this one. What do you think? Put your thoughts in the comment section. I want to know what you feel about DeepFaceLive. Alright guys, so I saw the output of DeepFaceLive and I wasn't so impressed. It did not look so real to me. Let me show you guys one that is slightly better than DeepFaceLive. That is DeepLiveCam, and if you want to download it, check the link in the description of this video. I'm going to show you guys how to set it up with your OBS Studio. Let's go. Alright guys, this is it. iRoop DeepFaceCam, and it is 8.4 gigabytes. Once I open it, you're going to see something like this. Now don't be intimidated, let me explain. Over here, you're just going to double click on Start Portable NVIDIA, and I'm going to show you guys one feature I like about this one. It is way better to me than DeepFaceLive, but you can put your comment in the description and let me know which one is better so I can work more on it. This is DeepFaceCam. The settings are so many. Let me explain. So over here you have different options. This cam means you can select your camera automatically. So let's just come over here and let me choose a camera. So I'm going to move my mouse here and select a camera. Let's just say cam 1. Cam 1 means I want to use this web camera and not my laptop camera. So when I've selected cam 1, this is what I'm going to do. Now, rather than training a model for like 3 weeks, 4 weeks, I can just select a picture and use that face to prank my friend and laugh with my young ones. Now, I'm just going to click on select a face, and once I've selected that face, you're going to see the face like this. Now, make sure that the face is like a passport. Like the face is very clear and straight, like looking directly at the camera. Now, this is the same face I used for DeepFaceLive, if you can remember. Now I'm using it for iRoop DeepFaceCam. So this is virtually DeepLiveCam, if not DeepLiveCam. So let me explain everything over here. Not everything, but the ones that are straightforward. Now, in order to go live, you're going to click on this button. And remember, just like DeepFaceLive, you can see the resolution button. So if your laptop is performing low, you can reduce the resolution. So I'm just going to click on the live button and let's see whether this web camera is going to work or not. Alright guys, so as you can see the camera is showing light again. So probably it's going to work this time. Let's hope. Wow, I'm blown away. Like, this one has teeth. Can you see my teeth? Like, is it better? What do you think? Is it better? Put your comments. To me, I think this is better. Like, from a picture. Oh, my tongue cannot come out, but it's still very good. Let me twist like this. There's a problem. I don't have ring light over here. But what if I now put a ring light? Like, look at the complexion. Can you see the complexion? The face is white. Like, it's white. I'm a black person and it's white. The nose, like, are you seeing the nose? Every angle I turn, the nose stays consistent. So, what do you think? Put it in the comments, because I think the face is better here. Let's check RoopCam. Alright guys, so this is RoopCam. You can download it from the link in the description of this video. Once you've downloaded RoopCam, you're just going to double click on it. Then you're going to see a file list like this. Now you're just going to scroll down. Then if you are using a gaming laptop, you're going to use Start Portable NVIDIA. Then if you have a normal laptop, you understand, that you're using, you're going to use Start Portable CPU. You understand? So this is a gaming laptop, so I'm going to double click on Start Portable NVIDIA. But in order to use your webcam this time, this is what you're going to do. You're going to click on this Windows button. You're going to click on Manage Cameras. Then you're going to come and you're going to disable your laptop camera. So I'm going to first of all disable this my web camera here. I'm going to click on Disable. Yes. So the only option my laptop is going to have is this Logitech HD camera. So I'm going to click on this X now, and I'm going to come here. Now everything is in another language, but I'm going to explain. Over here is to select your picture. So I'm just going to click on this select picture. Then I'm going to click on OK. Then I'm going to scroll down. and I'm going to select the picture I want to use. Remember, it's this Ryan Reynolds picture, so I'm just going to use it to prank myself. So I'm just going to come here and click on this button, and let's see whether it's going to use this camera. We tried our best. Let's see. Alright, so you guys can see that it worked. So I'm very happy. Now this one is very good, but the problem I have is the complexion. Look at it. Okay, it's black, and my teeth, you understand, it's black. Let me zoom in again. You see that blackness? Do you think it's okay? What do you think? I think it's very close to Deep Live Cam. All these are better than DeepFaceLive. Compare it. They are very good. So what do you think? Their links are in the description, by the way. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment where you're watching from. I know most of you guys want to learn how to make a fake video call. So if you want to learn how to make a fake video call, watch this video over here. If you want to learn how to change your voice, watch this video over here. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Want to start earning $1,000 a week online but stuck at account signups, failed exams, or verification roadblocks?
Real freelancers don't wait. They start earning today.
Want to start earning $1,000 per week online but stuck at account signups, failed exams, or verification roadblocks? White heavy check mark, we've got you covered. By verified freelance accounts, Telus, OneForma, Appen, Remo Tasks, Wellocalize, and more. Get exam answers that work and breeze through verifications, all done fast, securely, and anonymously. Globe showing Europe Africa trusted by over 500 freelancers worldwide. Ready to stop failing and start earning? White right pointing backhand index DM now. Spots are limited.